How to top up your balance. Log in to digital banking. Below your card, you will see Replenish Balance. Enter the amount in Hong Kong dollars. You can view the current exchange rate of Hong Kong dollars against the US dollar in your profile. Choose your preferred payment method. Proceed to the next step. To pay via phone, scan the QR code and follow the instructions, or send funds manually to this payment address. Send the specified amount in your currency of choice so that the funds reach your Shao balance as quickly as possible. Indicate the amount to be received when sending. Transfer funds. Click the I Paid button. Funds will be automatically credited to your balance after 2 network confirmations. Thank you for your attention. Save and grow with Shao Bank.